Hi. So let us see this example where we have some data here like this, which have got some project names, industry is there, and team analysis, with which I have given some names here with comma. So basically, what we want to do here is we want these names to come in all different cells. Okay. So for that, we will be using this option called as text to column, which is inside this option called as data. So first of all, you will have to select the this range, that is this team analysis, because on this part I will be using it. Again, after that, you just click on this option called as data. Come in this option called as text to columns. There's an option called as delimit. So if you click that option and say next, because after each name I have given a comma here. So you just click on this comma. As you click on comma, you can see the names have been separated. After that, you click on this option called as next. This is asking me where you want this name to appear. That is the output where it should come. For example, if I just click inside this box designation, just remove it part, and if I say I want it somewhere here in E, that is E2. So if I click on E2 and I'll say finish, so as you can see, the names have come here now. See, if I double click, can adjust the names properly. See. So this is the use of this option. If in case you want to separate those names, so we can use this option of yours called as text to columns. So I hope you understood this example. Keep on practicing, and I will see you in the next training. Thank you.